Stop going to work. Seriously, why drag yourself out of bed every morning just to make someone else rich when you can build your own faceless YouTube channel that makes up to $350 a day? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using free and simple AI tools that do all the heavy lifting for you. One of the hardest parts about YouTube is figuring out what to say and how to keep people watching. That's where tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini come in. With a single prompt, these AI tools can generate endless video ideas in just seconds. You can ask them things like, give me 10 YouTube video ideas in the make money online niche, or write me a 5-minute script for a video about passive income. The best part is that you don't have to be an expert in anything. ChatGPT and Gemini will write the script for you in a way that's clear, professional, and entertaining. All you do is copy and paste. Now that you've got your script, you need a video. But don't worry, you don't have to be on camera. In fact, you don't even need to show your face at all. Just head over to heygen.com. Heygen lets you create realistic talking avatars, just like the one you're watching right now. You paste in your script, pick one of their hundreds of avatars, choose a background, and instantly you've got a professional video. No filming, no editing, no stress. You can make as many videos as you want every single day with zero extra work. But here's the secret that most people miss. Your thumbnail is just as important as your video. Before someone even watches your content, the thumbnail is what grabs their attention and makes them click. That's why I recommend using Canva. Canva makes it super easy to design thumbnails that pop. You can drag and drop text, images, and colors, and they even have ready-made YouTube thumbnail templates. In just a few minutes, you'll have something eye-catching that looks like it came straight from a pro graphic designer. So here's the system. Use ChatGPT or Google Gemini to brainstorm ideas and write your script. Paste that script into HeyGen to generate a faceless talking avatar video. Then, design a killer thumbnail on Canva to grab attention. Upload it to YouTube, repeat the process, and watch as your channel starts to grow. The more videos you publish, the more views you'll get, and with views come ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and more. That's where the $350 a day comes in. Stop wasting your time working a job you hate. Build a faceless YouTube channel today with AI and start creating real freedom for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more easy money-making systems.